Does eating healthy feel impossible? With your busy schedule, between work, family, and everything else, it's easy to fall in the takeout trap. But what if there was a way to save time, money, and stress while still sticking to your health goals? My name's CJ, and I'm one of the nutrition coaches at CrossFit Indiana with a secret to success, and that secret is meal prepping. Here's why it's a total game changer. It saves time, less cooking during the week. It saves money. There is no more last-minute takeout. Staying consistent with healthy meals ready when you need them. But let's be real. Getting started can feel overwhelming. You might be thinking, what meals are easy to prep? How do I keep food fresh? What still tastes good by the end of the week? Well, the good news is meal prepping doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With a simple plan, you can create delicious, balanced meals that keep you fueled and satisfied. Here are 3 tips to get you started. First, plan ahead. Pick 2 or 3 simple recipes and make a shopping list. Try our favorites, the egg roll in a bowl and the pulled chicken. Number 2, batch cook. Roast veggies, grill your proteins, and prep grains to mix and match. And number 3, use proper storage. Invest in glass containers to keep meals fresh. Even with these tips, figuring out what to prep and how much can still be tricky, and that's where we come in. At CrossFit Indiana, we help busy people like you simplify meal prepping and build healthy eating habits that fit into your lifestyle. With personalized coaching, we create a plan tailored to your schedule, your preferences, and your goals so that you can enjoy all of the benefits of meal prepping without the guesswork. Ready to make healthy eating easier? Click the link in our bio if you're on Instagram, or click below if you're on Facebook to book your free intro today. Meal prepping is one small step that can make a huge difference in how you feel and perform every day. Let's take that step together.